Hey guys, so today I have a really juicy breakout trade for you guys in shares of Alibaba, ticker symbol BABA. Before we do that, however, I want to go through a really important point, and that is that I think a lot of people forget how great of an environment or time we live in these days with the modern technology, the mobile platforms now being able to trade and invest from our cell phones, our smartphones and our tablets and our laptops, and the market liquidity. A lot of the products that we trade, single name stocks, ETFs, even the commodities. So there's a lot of opportunity, and I think people forget how awesome it is these days with all the tools that we have from an IT or I guess fintech perspective. It's never been easier for the investing public to make money and be informed. So just wanted to make sure I get that out there. So let's go through the charts.
All right, folks, so the trade idea I want to share today is, as I said before, in Alibaba, ticker symbol BABA. And you can see that Alibaba basically, after it topped out after its IPO in 2014, it's really been a one-way street, I should say, right into those 2015 lows, and then basically in the first quarter of this year, 2016, we did see a marginal higher low complete versus those 2015 lows. The melt up ever since, along with the broader market, has now pushed the stock right up to, and actually as of last week, above this diagonal resistance line made up basically of obviously a bunch of connected dots starting from the second quarter of 2015. So those lower highs here versus those 2014 highs. And so we are starting to certainly look better. We have a confirmed higher low here, as I said, in the first quarter. And now we're starting to attempt to break past diagonal resistance. Now, importantly, you can see last week we have this long bullish tail on that weekly candle, which, as you'll see in just a second on daily chart, is a result of a nice bullish reversal on intra-week, of course. So we are making progress here, and I think Alibaba here does have room to work back to those fourth quarter 2015 highs as a next upside target. If we look at this on a daily chart, it all looks even more convincing. And what you can see here, we're just going to focus on the time frame from basically last November, so November 2015 into present day. And you can see we've got very simply here the 50, 100, and 200 day moving averages. And what's taken place is, again, you can see that higher low in February versus those lows in 2015. And basically last week, news broke that the company Alibaba was under investigation by the SEC for its accounting practices, basically. So that's usually not a good sign. But what you can see what happened, this news broke on last Wednesday, the 25th of May. And when that took place, the stock actually dropped just for that one day. And then Thursday and Friday rallied right back up to the highs of the week. So what we basically did is a one-day scare and quickly reverse back higher. That is certainly showing the resiliency that the stock has. The stock basically, with that one-day sell-off, tested its 100 and 200-day moving averages. Those are the blue and the red lines. And you can see the stock continues to be in this 2-month consolidation phase. But again, it looks very, very coiled up here and ready to potentially move back towards that $88 area as a first upside target. Maybe call it $86 as a first upside target, followed by $88. So that's what I'm seeing set up here in Alibaba, and I sure hope this makes sense.
One more thing, guys, please make sure to follow me on Instagram if you want to get a little bit more of the feel of the trader lifestyle, the active investor lifestyle. You can kind of follow me along. We can get tips and tricks throughout the day on Instagram. So make sure you follow me on Instagram.